Hi everybody. Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Let's get to it. So they come in a small little white box, very reminiscent of the Apple AirPods Pro. At the back there's a little thing to pull, and there's two sides of it, and apparently you have to pull both sides because it doesn't go all the way through. There we go. And also on the other side, one does not go all the way through. So the other one, definitely not as nice of an experience as the AirPods, I would say. Does not open on its own, as AirPods would. There seems to be two things, one in each thing. So here I can see the Galaxy Buds 3, and on the other side, a little bit of paperwork. So let's take a look at the paperwork first. Oh, actually there is a cable, a nice white USB-C cable. Is there a nice way how to open this? I will comment the fact that this seems to be all paper and no plastic, so that's nice. Also, something Apple has been doing, I think the resemblance, the copycatism is there. So yeah, so let's take a look at the USB-C. This is about a meter long. Anything else? Oh, my dog went to, oh, let me show you. I'm not sure if you can see. There he is. He went to lay down on the pillow. He loves pillows. Okay, so there is a quick start guide. There is a warranty card and some cardboard. So that's about it. And on the other side, we have the Galaxy Buds 3. So at the bottom, there seems to be a button and the USB-C connector, and they give off a fairly nice sound. As you can see, this is cut at an angle, while the AirPods are straight. The top is see-through, while the bottom is very much Apple-like white. And similarly to Apple AirPods Pro 2, there is an LED over there. Yeah, that's it. Let me take them out so that you can see what they look like. They are very close to, I guess, the regular AirPods. Is it fourth generation? Yeah, I think fourth generation. At least this part, right? The part around the ear. When I put them inside my ears, I cannot say anything bad about them. I feel that there is something in my ears. Of course, they're not like AirPods first gen. They were extremely light, and they wouldn't obstruct your ears at all. So you really had that feeling of that sensation of airiness. Here I do feel and hear a little bit of an obstruction. When I talk, I have that slight nasally feeling, as if I have fingers in my ears. So there is a bit of obstruction, but they don't have any really in canal silicone at the tips. So the only isolation you get is just of the plastic touching your skin, but there's no real isolation to speak of. The stem has an interesting, almost triangular, but I think there's a couple more angles to it. Shape, well, almost triangular, but not really triangular. And it gives it a distinct feeling. So as if you know that this is the back, I would say. When you touch it, you're like, oh, okay. I know where the front is. I know where the back is. Uh, Also, I would say it's easy to distinguish which one is left and which one is right. Yeah, when you touch them like this, it feels strange, as when you have them in your fingers like that. You can tell them apart. So that's a good thing. Tactile feeling. I think the Apple AirPods go at a different angle inside. These ones goes, or is it just maybe it's just my memory? I think maybe it's just my memories lying to me, because of the angularity of this and because it's cut out very precisely. It doesn't really, it doesn't have that. If the base would have been circular, it really feels like it's a Lego piece that really fits into that shape. Unlike the Apple AirPods, where you feel that they fall in place right at the end of this motion of putting them inside. So yeah, overall, I would say quite nice. Small package, feels honestly very reminiscent of Apple AirPods. I'll see what they are like in use. Time will tell if the noise cancellation, because these have a noise cancellation, that it does say so. I think on here it says ultra high quality sound, adaptive ANC, sound optimization, and comfortable fit. So yeah, time will tell how much of that is true. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3.